All right, so I got this annoying problem here. Like, let me zoom out a little bit. But over my kitchen sink here, like, see, this doesn't really lock at all. Like, you don't have to use the handle to open it. So I am thinking that this here just needs to be moved back a little bit. So I'm going to unscrew those Phillips head screws and try to move this back a little bit, and maybe then it'll clasp better, because it looks like when you pull the handle up here like that, you lift that up. So I just don't think it's making a good connection. Either that needs to come down, or either that needs to come down a little bit, or this needs to come out. So figure out which one. Okay, so what I ended up doing here is that I adjusted these a little bit. If you rewind the video and you see the position they were at before, I think that was just too far inside, so it wasn't catching very good when the door comes down. So essentially what I did is that I moved it back a little bit. You can kind of tell the distance right there between the silver part, the catch right here, and the end of this little plate right here. So that's the distance I moved it. And now when I close it, it's solid. It doesn't open anymore. So that's how you would fix that if you're having a little problem with that catching.